Hey all, welcome to a new video in my channel, and this week I'm going to show you how to do this unique and cool mirror chrome nails without using chrome powder, UV lamp or gel polish or anything of that sort. So let's see how we can do this. So firstly you have to start with a smooth base of black nail paint, otherwise if the base is rough then the mirror effect will not show up that good. So the main ingredient is this silver dust acrylic color, which is used for fabric painting. So I'm going to use this powder as my chrome powder, and this is number silver 20. Maybe the packaging has changed now, and also the pricing is now around ₹25. I got this like a decade back, so at the time it was 19. So you will get it any stationery stores. And this is how it looks after I open the bottle. It is a very fine powder, and I've written the word silver on top of the bottle myself, and it doesn't come with this writing. Now you have to take a very little amount of this. I am taking it from the lid itself using my fingertip, but you can also use an eyeshadow applicator. And next you have to rub it on your nails. So you just have to keep on rubbing it until you get the desired result. The idea is to not make the silver coating too opaque, otherwise you will not get the chrome effect, and that is why I am using a very little amount of that powder. I did the same with the rest of my nails, and I hope you can see the shine and the reflection, and I think this is pretty good an effect without using chrome powder. And there is one precaution you better take, that is wrap the skin around your nails using sellotape or liquid latex, otherwise clearing up the silver dust from the skin around your nails is going to be really tough. So this is my recommendation, and this time my nails do not look that smooth because my base wasn't that smooth, because I had a little scratches and stuff on my nail bed. But instead I am attaching a pic of my old work, and you can see how smooth it looks. So there is a disadvantage of these nails, is that it is going to be a little temporary, because when you're applying top coat it is going to be like this, as you can see now. So it's going to disintegrate and the mirror effect won't last. So this is a very temporary effect. So if you're going to party or something and you want instant chrome nails without spending much, and you don't want to keep it for too long, so you can try this method for sure. I do not have water-based top coat, but if you have, please let me know if it works with that. And one more precaution is not to bring these nails close to your mouth, because this is not particularly edible. So see you next week with a new video. Meanwhile, like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great week, bye bye.